Hey guys, today we're making this delicious Malva pudding. This is so amazing and super delicious, and the recipe is so easy to make. It doesn't take long at all, and it's super delicious. Okay, so we're gonna start off with this box Malva pudding mix, and it comes with the flour, sugar, and jam. In a mixing bowl, you're going to add in your egg, and to that you're going to add in your oil and your milk and your jam, and then you're going to mix that all together until well combined. Now if there's a few lumps of jam, it's okay. Once that's mixed in, you can add in your dry ingredients from the box, and then whisk this until you get a smooth batter. Once that's done, you can set that to the side, and to your Pyrex dishes, you can spray it with a bit of non-stick spray and then pour your batter into this. Then you're going to bake these in your oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes or until golden brown. Keep an eye on them. Then you're going to make your sauce by adding your butter to a pot and let that melt down. And once it's fully melted, you can add in your milk and your sugar. Now I've used evaporated milk for this, but you can use regular milk if you like. And then just mix this and then let it boil for around 5 minutes. Keep stirring it. Once your cakes are out of the oven, you can poke multiple holes in them and then make sure your sauce is boiling and then pour it over the top. And if you want to serve this cold, then let this sit in the fridge for a few hours. And then you can add in your cream on top if you like, or you can serve it with some custard. And then cut it into pieces and serve. And that's it. That's how easy it is to make this delicious Malva pudding, and it's super amazing. It's just super delicious. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a giant thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I post new videos every Sunday. I'll see you in my next video.